How to change birthday on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Profile at the bottom right. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. You're not able to see your birth date, so what you can do is click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom, click on Help Center. After you click on Help Center in here, click on Chat with Us at the bottom. After you click on Chat with Us at the bottom, it will lead you to the chat section. Here, then click on Account at the top. After you click on Account at the top, click on I want to update my birth date. After you click on I want to update my birth date, click on Edit Date of Birth. After you click on Edit Date of Birth, it will lead you to this page here. Simply change your birth date. Press on Confirm. Press on Confirm again. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change birthday on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.